amawulire ge tulina oba tugambe nti gasaala twongere okusabira omukulu Muhammad Ssegirinya Muhammad kubanga alabika nga tannafa wabula maama y'olwamugambye nti omwana we takyayoga takyakola ki bw'atyo n'atandika okuba amasimu agabika mutabani we nenga abasawo bo batugamba nti tebanaba mudikiyaringa nti mufu wabula tweyongere okumusabira mirako koleki mirako ekolebwe baganda bange mikwano gyange mukwano gw'abangi Honorable Muhammad Ssegirinya akyali mu mbeera enzibu nnyo wano e Lubaga hospital era nga abasawo bo batugamba nti akyali mu intensive care tosobola mugamba nti mufu kye tuyinza okugamba essaawa zino naye nga maama yakubye essimu n'ategeeza n'abika Honorable Muhammad Ssegirinya kumbe yabadde nsobi wabula tweyongera omusabira abantu ab'enjawulo bamaze okuba nga batuuka wano ku ddwaliro ekkulu e Lubaga ew'omukulu Muhammad Ssegirinya gyali era gyali mu kuba nga ajjanjabibwa so baganda bange twongere okusaba twongere okumusabira mukwano gwaffe Muhammad Ssegirinya okulaba nga obulamu bwe ate bukodda engulu. Muhammad Ssegirinya tugenda kumujjukira nnyo tujja kumujjukira nnyo ate twongere okumusabira banange twongere okusabira mukwano gw'abangi Honorable Muhammad Ssegirinya atannaba kudikiyalingibwa nti afudde wabula ebitundu ebisinga bimaze okuba nga bizikira bataata bamaama embeera bwetyo bweri mu kutambula embeera bwetyo bweri nenga twongere okusaba twongere okumusabira Mukama akole mirako Ssegirinya addemu alabe ku bulamu obulala banange Ssegirinya Mukama amuwe tubusaba Mukama amuwe chance ey'okubiri era twongere okusaba tusabire ddala bannange nno tusabire ddala embeera gy'alimu si nnungi wadde babadde bamubise era nga buli omu amaze okuba nga abika ne Lupu Joel Ssenyonyi ategeeza nti omukulu tannaba kufiira ddala era bo nga abasawo tebanaba mudikiyalinga nti mufu
Ssegirinya mu luzungu ali kye bayita brain dead nti obwongo obufudde organs zonna zikyatinze down zisirise naye omutima gukyakubamuko akatono yes ali ku machines ezimuyambako n'ebirala so
though we cannot declare him dead but he's critically sick. Thank you so much. Muganda waffe mulwadde nnyo era yetaaga okwagala kwaffe yetaaga essaala zaffe tumwongere essaala ffe abasawo tujja kuba tubatuusaako buli ekigenda mu maaso kubanga era tugezaako okukola buli ekisoboka mwebale nnyo mwebale My name is Sister Dr. Grace Senyodo. I'm the medical director, currently acting as the executive director.
Embeera ya Muhammad Ssegirinya bwetyo bw'eri ndowooza tubiwulidde okuva ewa Dr. Tabana bamudikiyaringa nti afudde naye bwo obwongo bumaze okuba nga buzikira ne functions ezimu zikyatambula bulungi era tusuubira nti akyali ku byuma awo baba basobola okumuwa eddagala ate nadda engulu. So baganda baffe twongere okuteekamu essaala tusabe nga
tulisiganye tugenda kwesika buli omu kwena tugenda kubeera mabega
We need to get information, a clear information, and let's be attentive.
Guys, bwe mutasirikire tugenda kuwulisiganya, okay? Okay, so we're going to start, It's fine. Ali. Okay. Microphones. Mike is on one. Okay, I think let's start. Yeah. I hope that you are all good to go. Ana itandike kuba amaloboozi gakyali mangi. You ready? All right. This morning we got news from the mother of our colleague, the Honorable Muhammad Ssegirinya, that he had passed on. Honorable Ssegirinya was brought to this hospital, Lubaga Hospital, a couple of days ago. The situation had become dire. He had over time stabilized, and so he was on and off. When he got dire, he was brought to hospital here for proper attention. He's been in ICU, and
when we engaged the doctors told us, together with family, to make sure that people don't come to see him, guests and so on, to avoid him catching infections because he was in a very critical condition. So he's been that way for a while. His situation has been deteriorating for the past couple of days. And this morning, the doctors told the mother that he had become brain dead and almost all his organs had shut down. In fact, all his organs had shut down. And of course, that's what now, through the mother of balance, she got in touch with us and told us that Hassan, the Honorable Muhammad Ssegirinya, had passed on. We rushed to hospital. I was able to access ICU together with Comrade Lewis Rubongoya. Of course, other leaders did join along the way. But the interface we had with the doctors have told us that what still is in place is a very slight pulse because he's on a vent, he's on a machine. So yes, he's brain dead, all organs have shut down, but there is still a small pulse. And according to them, professionally, it would be unethical to declare him dead on their end when there is still that pulse. So they are saying they can't give us any hope. They don't know what the day will be like by close of day, but they are also saying they're not good. So professionally, they are saying because of that small pulse, even though he's brain dead, organs have shut down, that very small pulse, aided by the vent and so on, does not allow them as professional medics to declare him dead. And so they have said that's why they are not communicating as such. Of course, the mother was thrown off balance, and that's why she did reach out to us to give us that very disturbing news. So the current status quo, as per the doctors, is that yes, he's brain dead, organs have shut down, but there's still a very small pulse. We asked them, are you giving us hope? They said, we don't want to give you hope, but they said they're not God. God, that's what the doctors have told us. We requested them to be with us, to be able to communicate this, but they said they will be with us because the executive director is here, Sister Dr. Grace, who is acting executive director, but she's the medical director. So she told us she might not speak, but she will be with us because she, together with other